Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this Adopt Me snow globe. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing a curve across. Then let's curve it up on each side. And another curve across the top. Now top in and let's draw a circle in the center. And one more on each side. Now top underneath and let's draw the main part of the snow globe by drawing two large curves down. And then a curve across at the bottom. Next, at the bottom here, let's draw two curves down. And another curve across. And again, let's add 3 circles inside. And that's it for the middle section of the globe. Now let's hop up and let's work on the top. At the top, let's step in slightly and let's draw 2 curves up and in. And then a longer curve across on top. Now let's draw 2 small lines up. And another curve. Now on top, let's draw a curve going up and back down. And lastly, for the top here, let's draw the star. Let's start with 2 angles up and out. Then let's angle it out and back in, forming a point on each side. And then one more point up on top. And that's it for the top of the globe. Now let's hop to the bottom. Let's draw a curve down on each side. And then a curve across. Now inside this section, we're going to draw a pattern. Let's draw a star by drawing a point up in the middle, a point out on each side, and one underneath. Now let's hop out and we're going to draw a curve in, leaving it open on the outside. Then from the top, let's curve it up. And then a long curve out like this. Then from the bottom, let's curve it up. And a curve down and out underneath. And that's it for the pattern. Now let's finish the bottom by drawing another set of curves down on the outside here. And then a line across the bottom to close it off. And that's it for the shape of the snow globe. Now let's hop in and let's draw the details. Let's start inside at the bottom and let's draw a large curve up and back down. Now in the center here, let's draw the snowman's head by drawing a large circle. Now in the center, let's add the nose by drawing a curve down on an angle. And let's angle it down to the left and back in. And then on top, let's draw two curves like this for the eyes. And let's thicken both of these up slightly on top. Now top underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's draw a curve up to the right. And another curve underneath. And then add a bump inside for the tongue. Lastly, let's draw an oval on each cheek. And that's it for the snowman's head. Now let's hop out and let's draw some snowflakes. We'll start with a large circle on the top left. And add another one inside. Now top down and let's draw another smaller one in the same way. Now let's add some more circles around like this. And then some smaller ones. Lastly, at the bottom here, let's draw a curve up. And that's it for this cute snow globe. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!